So to do this, you're going to need some microfiber towels to wipe it on, then wipe it off with, and then you're going to need your bottle of ceramic coating. I've taped this off just so we can compare the difference. This has not been washed. I mean, it's clean, but it has had rain. It's got some water spots and stuff on it. But we're going to do this side of the glass because it says it works on paint, glass, and plastic. So we'll see what it does on chrome too, and we'll do this this headlight over here, and we'll do that glass. And it's been raining here, so hopefully after I do this, I can pull it out in the rain and kind of compare it and see if it makes a difference with how it sheds water. So what it says to do, let's get your microfiber towel and spray some of the product on there, some of this ceramic coating. And you want to do about a 3-foot section at a time. So I'm just going to kind of break this in. And it says you want to get it on there and off before it dries on its own. So I've got it on there, and then you take your other one and you wipe it off. And I'm just going to continue doing that on the whole hood. Put it on a towel. Wipe it on, and immediately come back and wipe it off. I'm short, so I got to get a little stool, little stand over here. And be sure and don't let it dry on its own. It said to wipe it off before it dries on its own. I'm going to do the same thing on the glass. Oops, better get the right one here. See it hazing up a little bit. You want to be sure and get that off. It does dry streak free. Does a good job of that. And you'll also want a couple microfiber towels with you. I mean, you can flip these around and get a clean edge. What you want to do is get something that has some dirt on it and start rubbing on your paint, and that'll cause some scratches. Now the headlight. And there you have it. I've applied it to this one side. Now we'll have to wait and see how it looks. We can go ahead and pull the tape to see if you can see a difference in the shine. Now it definitely did clear it up, made it look shinier. The lights look clearer in there. Now how long it lasts, I'm not sure. They say that ceramic coating lasts a while, so we'll kind of test it out. It's supposed to be raining. It rained some this morning, so we'll see if it rains some this afternoon. We'll take another video clip of it and show you, if it's shedding water like it should. So. Now here's a close-up of the paint surface where I applied the ceramic coating, and just kind of showing you where I did apply it and where it's not applied. I can tell there's a difference. I don't know how well you can tell on camera. Okay, it didn't rain after all like I was thinking it might, so I got the water hose out and sprayed it down with water to see if the water beads up on one side more than the other. And you can tell that the area that was applied the ceramic coating, the water is beating up, dripping off a lot faster. The side where it wasn't applied, the water's just staying on there and hasn't really beat it up or starting to dry yet. So it definitely does help with water. Helps it beat up and run off where it'll dry faster. So it does do a good job of that.